Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a new project or set up your very first project in Maya. Alright, to do that, you have to go to the File menu and click on Project Window option. Now here, you have to click on this New button to name your project. While naming your project, you have to take a note that you cannot use a space in between the words. We have to use an underscore. Alright, so I'm going to name my project as my first project. Alright, now once you're done naming your project, you can choose the location where you want Maya to create that project folder. Alright, I'm going to choose the location by clicking on this folder icon. Here you have to go to My Computer, go to C drive and select Maya projects. You don't have to select it. I'm selecting it because I have created a folder here where I store all my Maya projects. Alright, you can create a similar one and don't store it in C drive, rather save it in some other drives. Alright, now once you are done selecting this folder, you can hit on select to select that location for your project folder. Alright, now once you're done naming your project and choosing its location, you can click on accept to create the project folder. Alright, the project folder has been created. Now all you have to do is go back to File menu again, go to Set Project option and then select that project folder. Click on Set to set your project. Now you're ready to go. All you have to do is go to File menu, create New Scene and click on Don't Save to discard the previous scene. And now you can create any object by default. I'm creating a cube. Go to File menu, click on Save Scene As to save the scene file. You have to type in a name. Alright, and make sure you save it in Maya ASCII format and not Maya binary format, because if anything happens to the file, it can be fixed better in the ASCII format and not in the binary format where everything is written in zeros and ones. So make sure you are saving in Maya ASCII format. Alright, now when you are saving the scene, you can see the location where Maya is going to save the scene file. It is inside My Project folder and within the subdirectory Scenes. Here Maya is going to save your scene file. Click on Save As to save the scene file. Alright, here you can see where Maya has saved the scenes such as images, texture files, rendered images and animations, videos and everything that goes in and out of the scene file or is linked with the scene file. Everything is stored within these subdirectories. In this way, Maya makes it easier for us to move our project folders without losing any of our linked files. Alright, so that when you open your project files, you don't see a message displaying a missing file. So that's the reason why we create a project folder and why Maya creates so many subdirectories within the project folder. This helps keep everything organized within one folder. Alright, let me show you an example of a project folder that